And once they take the blood from your arm, it needs to immediately be refrigerated. What if they leave it in the mailroom or sit in a hot squad car? This is known scientifically to create what's called fermentation. And what do you think fermentation does? I mean, that's where we get our beer from. When something ferments, you see a higher level of alcohol. In one forensic study, it determined that improper storage by the police and the labs can account for an actual alcohol reading 100% or more higher than the original reading, which means it's possible that an actual blood alcohol sample could be taken from a blood sample could be taken from your arm, and yet it was going to read nothing, but because it sat there and fermented, now it actually has a blood alcohol level. Another area, what about chain of custody? How do we know how the blood got from your arm to the actual courtroom? And how do we know the lab handled it properly? Here's a crazy example. In one Texas case, a police department sent a blood sample to the wrong person instead of the actual lab to do the testing. Imagine that. If the police department would mail the sample to the wrong address, what else could possibly go wrong?